Welcome back. Well, daily downpours will continue across the area in the days ahead. We're not shaking this pattern anytime soon, so let's get over to the Key Wall and discuss the same. We're kind of sandwiched in between two ridges of high pressure, one over toward the Pacific, one toward the Atlantic, and in between we have this weak upper level trough in the area, weakness in the atmosphere, and combine that with deep tropical moisture coming in from the Gulf. The pattern is going to keep good rain chances and the chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly daytime activity in Acadiana's forecast over the next week to 10 days at least. Maybe for the rest of the month, I see pretty much above normal rain chances for most days finishing out the month. We'll see what July brings, but hopefully a little bit drier weather. Across the area, you can see rain and storms across the Gulf Coast, pretty much garden variety, but some very locally heavy rains across southeast Texas causing some localized flooding. Even as we speak right now, we'll put things in motion. We can see most of the activity pushing eastward. We see the storms in Texas. This is what we'll be watching tonight. Not so much the stuff by Livingston down toward Winnie or just east of the Houston area, but near Beaumont down to Lake Arthur, and then, we'll say Port Arthur, and then southwestern portions of Cameron Parish. This rain is moving eastward, so this looks to move across Acadiana this evening, but as it does so, it's going to be weakening, so just more moderate or light rains possible. Could see some heavier storms developing. We see one down by the Vermilion coastline, so we'll see how it goes this evening. Everything should quiet down by about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. Meanwhile, we're still seeing moderate or light rains across portions of St. Mary Parish, right across the center cut of the parish, and moving through lower St. Martin Parish and Stevensville. You're going to be getting some showers, along with Morgan City, some sprinkles in the air right now. So let's back it up over the last 5 days. I just did a kind of a study on how much rain has fallen, and anything that you see in the shades of orange right here, you're talking 5 inches or better. So that's a good coverage across Acadiana. And then we had this hot spot that is produced more than 13 inches of rain. Now, these are Doppler estimates, which are usually underdone by 10 to 20% based on what we get for rain gauge data and comparing the two. And look at this hot spot across southeast Lafayette Parish into upper St. Martin Parish, somewhere between 11 to 15 inches of rain just over the last 5 days. So I posted this on social media and also talked about if we're only halfway through June and we're about 2.5 inches away from seeing getting us into the top 10 wettest Junes of all time. So we're mid-June. I think we're going to get in the top 10 for sure. I don't think we're going to be near 2001 levels. You remember Tropical Storm Allison? That was over 23 inches of rain in that month of June alone. So it should quiet down tonight. Scattered showers and thunderstorms fire up again tomorrow and then diminish as we head into the evening hours. And then we do reset and do it all over again going into Wednesday with a scattering and smattering of storms. Maybe a little bit less coverage on our Wednesday. As we move forward, rainfall totals over the next day or so, inch or two in some spots. Some areas don't get much. Other isolated areas, in the areas of red here, catch 2 to 4, maybe 3 to 5 inches of rain. So keep that in mind. 75 the low tonight with another humid night after those early evening showers. Maybe an isolated storm overnight tonight. We've seen that over the last several nights. Then for tomorrow, 87 the projected high with locally heavy downpours, scattered storms mostly in the afternoon hours. Your chance of getting wet, 60 to 70%. How about 40 to 50% on Wednesday? We'll try to mix it up there, but back to 60% toward the end of the week. Saturday looks like our driest day over the next 10, so maybe make your outdoor plans then, but it's going to be hot and humid next week. Still better than normal. Rain chances stay. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.